Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy USDT on Metamask. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Metamask mobile application and then you just have to log in into your Metamask account. Now once you have successfully logged in, you just have to select your network. For this video, I'm going to keep it as Ethereum main network. So if you have selected the same, then you will have to search for tokens, basically USDT token over here. But as you can see over here that the USDT token is not available on the home page. So in order to find it, you will have to tap on import tokens option in the bottom. Then you need to use the search bar, and in the search bar you simply need to search for USDT. After that, you need to tap on Tether USD, which is USDT, then scroll down and then tap on import. Once done, you will notice that now Tether USD is on your home page. So you need to tap on this option, and after that you will be redirected on this USDT chart. Over here you will not be able to see any direct option to purchase USDT on Metamask, but in order to do this you will have to use any other exchange or wallet. So over here you need to tap on receive, and then it will give you the QR code as well as the wallet address. So you need to copy this address and then you need to open your Binance mobile application, as we are going to transfer our USDT from here. Then you will have to tap on the wallets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and after that you need to tap on spot. Once done, you just have to scroll down and then tap on USDT. Then you need to tap on withdrawal option in the bottom. After that, you need to select send via crypto network, and then you just have to paste the address over here which we have just copied from Metamask. Then it will ask you to select the network. So as previously in the Metamask, I have selected the Ethereum main network. So you will have to select ERC20 network over here. And then you will have to enter the amount of USDT that you want to withdraw from here. And then you need to tap on the withdraw button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Afterwards, you need to follow further on-screen instructions in order to just confirm your withdrawal. And once the transfer is successful, you will see the USDT on your Metamask account. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.